Music. Welcome to our Axos Invest Managed Portfolios review. Find helpful links in the description below. Axos Invest is a low-cost robo-advisor, perfect for hands-off investing. It's great for beginners and intermediate investors seeking affordable, automated solutions tailored to their goals. For under $500,000, there are no advisory fees, and you can start with just $500. After setup, Axos Invest builds a personalized portfolio based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and objectives, using diversified, low-cost ETFs covering various asset classes, from stocks to bonds and alternative investments. A key feature is automatic rebalancing. The platform keeps your portfolio aligned with your goals, even as markets shift. Accounts over $50,000 benefit from tax loss harvesting, boosting returns. For socially conscious investors, Axos offers 3 SRI strategies, aligning investments with your values. The user-friendly interface makes tracking performance, deposits, and projections easy. A major advantage is Axos Invest's seamless integration with Axos Bank, providing a holistic approach to money management. In short, Axos Invest is a cost-effective, beginner-friendly robo-advisor with personalized solutions, tax optimization, and integrated banking. It's a simple, affordable way to grow your wealth. Check the links below to see if Axos Invest is right for you.